Do you want your home to look more expensive without breaking the bank? Today, I'll share some simple, budget friendly tips to elevate your space into a sophisticated retreat that's both stylish and inviting. First up, declutter and curate. A clean, organized space instantly looks more polished. Start by clearing off surfaces like tables and shelves, keeping only a few decorative or functional items. Stick to similar colors and styles for a cohesive look. It's all about making your space intentional and refined. Next, statement lighting. Lighting sets the tone for any room, so consider a bold light fixture. Check thrift stores or online shops for affordable, unique options. Refresh old fixtures with spray paint or swap out lampshades for something stylish. Don't forget to add a dimmer switch for a touch of versatility. Mirrors are your secret weapon. Strategically place mirrors across from windows to reflect natural light and make your space feel brighter and bigger. Look for affordable mirrors with interesting frames like gold leaf ones to add an elegant touch. Consider molding or trim. Adding crown molding, baseboards, or even painted faux trim can create a custom upscale feel without spending a fortune. Do-it-yourself options like foam molding work wonders on a budget and look fantastic when painted to match your walls. Bring the outdoors in. Plants, flowers, and natural textures like wood or woven baskets add warmth and a sense of luxury. Even budget-friendly houseplants or branches from your yard can make a big difference. Layer your lighting. Combine overhead lights with table lamps, floor lamps, or sconces to create depth and eliminate dark corners. Layered lighting not only improves functionality but also adds a designer touch. Upgrade your hardware. Replacing cabinet handles or furniture knobs is a quick, impactful way to refresh your space. Opt for polished nickel, brushed brass, or aged gold for a high-end look without overspending. Hang curtains high. Mount your curtains closer to the ceiling to create the illusion of taller ceilings. Lightweight fabrics add airiness, while heavier ones like velvet add drama. Layer them with shades for a luxurious effect. Add touches of luxury. A marble vase, velvet cushions, or a leather chair in key spots can elevate your room. Thrift and discount stores often have hidden gems that look high-end without the price tag. Don't forget rugs. Layering rugs adds depth and coziness. Start with a large, flat rug and layer a smaller, more decorative one on top. This trick saves money while giving your space a designer vibe. Color drenching is a game changer. Painting your walls and trim the same color creates a cohesive, upscale look. Whether you choose deep, moody tones or light, airy hues, this technique makes any room feel intentional and elegant. And finally, wallpaper. Wallpaper adds instant character to any space. Use it sparingly, like on an accent wall or in a small area like the back of a bookcase. Peel and stick options are a great budget-friendly alternative. With just a few of these tips, you can transform your home into a space that feels expensive and personal without spending a fortune. Happy decorating!